Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to the DevOps King channel. In this channel, you will find the solution for different tasks of the Azure DevOps. In lecture 17, we shall discuss the remaining section of CICD for .NET Core 6. If you need any help about the Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure Web CICD, please contact on this WhatsApp number. In DevOps King channel, you will find the video prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please search for the DevOps King. You will find the channel. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. In lecture number 17, today we shall discuss the CICD for .NET Core 6. In the step 1, first of all, we shall select the restore section. In order to prepare the CICD for the .NET Core, we shall select the restore section, and on the right hand side we shall select the restore command. And after that, the most important is that we shall select the project for which we are restoring the nuggets package. In the next step, for the build section, we shall provide the command of build command for this build section, and we shall also give the name of the project for which we are doing the building process. In the next step, we shall publish the .NET Core API. In order to publish the .NET Core API, we shall pass the different parameter, like the command in this case would be publish command, and here we shall give the name of the project, and after that we shall pass the argument for the publish, you can see on the screen, and moreover we shall check the publish artifacts and the project folder name to the publish path. These are the different parameters that we shall select in the publish section of .NET Core API. In the next section is our last section, is the publish artifacts. Publish artifacts means in this section we shall push the publish artifacts to the CD section so that we can deploy it on the Azure WebApp services. So in publish artifact section, we shall select the build artifact staging directory. This is the reserved variable of the Azure DevOps where we shall push our publish artifacts. And this one is the variable that I have declared in the pipeline, is the name of the project. In the next section, in the next video, we shall deploy the publish artifacts on the Azure Web App in the CD section. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by DevOps certified engineer. Wish you good luck for your career.